Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm actually trading in my Mark 6 Jetta. That's right. I'm trading it in. So without further ado, on to the video. So here's the car once again, guys. It's trading out of the dealership. Ready to be traded in. There it is. It's all been emptied out of my personal belongings and good to go. I'm now going to go inside the dealership and do the extra paperwork for the new car and pay for it. There it is. There you have it. Let's go now inside and get the new car. Wow, this is so exciting, guys. A brand new car. Let's go in. They have a nice GLI here and GTI. The front counter. ID4. And I made it in here. Let's go ahead now and get all the paperwork done. There you have it, guys. We have to now take off the license plates off the old Jetta 2014 one Mark 6 and now put them back on the for the first time. Let me go ahead now and do that. Car is just over here. I've got my screwdriver ready to go here in the driver's side pocket. Okay, there we go. We'll start off with the rear. Okay, it's gone. That's it. It's out. And now it's gone. And that's how it looks on. Wonderful. And in here I have the actual belly pan and the underbody pan of the actual bumper itself as well. Here's the front one now. Just unscrew it. And there we are. It's unscrewed. That's how it looks like here now, with no license plates on it. So now we're going to the actual car, and I see it here poking out of the side. Wow, there it is, guys. A brand new 2023 Volkswagen Jetta Mark 7.5 in black. And here it is, guys. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. It's so fantastic. You have no idea. Oh my gosh. A brand new car. Here's the back window. Here's the rear end. Okay. The Jetta logo. View here with the wheels. Absolutely wonderful. Here's the front. Wonderful. This is the new vehicle delivery garage. It's not inside for us, but it's outside. This interior. I'll go ahead now and install license plates. And here we go. I left the front ones on the floor for now because you have to use a drill to drill into the actual plate holder. Okay. Let's go around back and see now the back one. Here's the back one, okay? Absolutely wonderful. So now, I'll go inside and ask them to actually come out and drill in the actual front license plate.
2 seconds later.
Ta-da! We did it! I called the person, they came out with a drill, and they actually drilled it in for me just great. So we got now both license plates on the car, therefore we're almost ready to go. All we gotta do now is just finish up the paperwork and pay for the car.
2 minutes later.
And just like that, guys, we finished up all the paperwork, paid for the car, and we got the keys. I got 2 keys, one in my hand and one in the car right now. So it's time now to go ahead, unlock the car, jump inside of it, start it up, and drive it off. Right off the lot. Getting in. The seat's too far back. I'm pushing all the way back. There we go, okay. Close the door. That's it. The keys inserted in the ignition. Turn it. Starting up first time. Ooh, the AC is on. Turn it off. Foot on the brake. Turn the key. Starts up fine. Sounds normal. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Put it in our drive. And we're off.
Several hours later.
And just like that, I'm home. It's now a little later in the day, but I finally got here. Let's get out. So there you have it, guys. I just took delivery and drove my car off the lot. It made it home now in one piece. No issues. Absolutely wonderful. So this then effectively is the video. Please, guys, drop a huge like on this video. Share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day. And I'll see you in another video.